Hello people. So I said may I tell na this morning, na good morning, na good everything. Not be only Edo people. Omo bende bende. Omo Midwest. I said may I tell una. Say make una get up. Una not be any Midwest. Una not be bende. Una be Biafra. Mo una fight. Mo fight this fight once and for all. Mo do our own. Me na Norwegian Biafra. I not be Edo Biafra, I be Norwegian Biafra. So anywhere you are in all over the world, that they see Nigeria Biafra. If you the old passport of Nigeria, it be Nigeria Biafra. If you believe on that, Nigeria Biafra. The one who na dey so that they use on do karika shop. So people don't shout for social media. Hey, I want that. Hey, Nigeria president, Nigeria this. Tomorrow they'll go chop money, they'll go take money, they'll come start to defend the same person. Where they cause, well, where they insult. Person like me, yeah, I don't defend anybody. Oh. I don't send you message. If you be my friend today, I'll tell you the truth. Truth na the truth. Me no want post. People wey want post, where they'll go take bribe. They'll call it all, say, hey, let's come and bring our people back. Let's defend the name 2020. Una no get sense, una no dey think. If una remember how I take join this Biafra movement, where the other one come out, you chop, I chop. The other one say you chop. Una no know say una get money. Now you suffer they go. Prostitute everywhere, thief everywhere, killer everywhere. Una no know so na get una join Biafra movement. Only that one go fit save us. Another thing no fit save una. Only that one I go fit save una. Mona join Biafra, Edo people. Mona join Biafra. If Oba even want join, me join. We know they drive anybody. But in Biafra land, where Biafra will come, we not see now you better pass. Now the other one better pass. Now that kind of country we dey look for. Country like no way. Country like no way. Nobody better pass anybody. If you don't, you be okay, you be adika, you be anything. You be human being. Now those ones they even respect pass. If motor kill one, he kill 100. If you see the for road that they walk, even though na 100 years they take pass that road, you stop off your car, stay there. They respect people. People like handicap. So anybody where you be, if you be Oba or be governor, everything will be Biafra. If you are doing what mommy even ya beg you go ya beg ya na a presidency ya beg ya. Ne wena muwa. Wak bak be woven waya de Biafra na gbingbina na free. Beni meje me ovie dosha. Me ovie dovie. Me I be Nigeria, I be Norwegian Biafra. Me I not be Nigeria, I not be Benin. Never. I be Norwegian Biafra because any bad thing you refuse am. They refuse Batty. If not, Batty go they knock for your door, go they knock. I be Norwegian Biafra. So we are fighting for the struggle. Edo people now, fools where they cause una the canu. Now una the canu do na problem. Una problem where they the zone and not go. They carry fake president give una and not fi ask. Una the canu help una problem. Now God go bless una the canu. May he live long. May he celebrate more birthday. He can open na hair, more na fight for what una get. They carry 400 million pounds. He dey London. Una no fit ask. More na see gold, una gold. Una gold and Togo gold. He dey London. He dey fresh. He dey fresh there. Now see baby this. No, not be. Oh, I must find out for now. Gold, it dey fresh. They save am. Who they die, they die. It dey there. I don't know where I saved the gold though. Who they die, they die. They don't say do na message. Governor pikin and you not be the same thing. Not be same person una be. Now they die. They do prostitute. Now the women wait be fools where they don't know anything. Where they pay make all the sort Igbo people. Now Igbo people go na problem. That they eat shit, they go. That they happy for single mother. Now let them dey trade pikin. Person like me now, I dey tell now. What come to worse, I'll give my pikin to my husband. He go trade there. For me, they are capable. If this country is forbid for your children to get hungry, for your children to they chop the best food, they eat it, they use food, they pursue there they go. But now that they pass it inside transformer. Now not get sense, oh. Not get sense. Una receive sense, oh. Una receive sense. For this country is forbidden for children to get hungry. Mother, you have to have food at home. Double. If they discover, say that pikin no dey chop, say if you reach school na so e dey zoazon, they'll collect her for your hand. Yes. If you not get money, why you not come complain? If you they'll collect your pikin, is the law. But una children they do carry cash up. They won't even go thief to yourself or Edo Benin City. I'll show na later. Now those where they bring money na habino. They won't go thief. Again, there for Italy. Some people carry money, they share am. Mona still know say if una still die tomorrow, na so they'll share una money. So now won't get respect. Mona get receive sense. Be mostly Benin people. Mona get up and wake up. Join Igbo people now na brother. We know the beg una. Some people say Igbo people don't dey fuck on their cousin. Igbo people now na brother. Una no want hear truth. I go tell na if na Oba Benin, Mona tell am me join Biafra. Na Biafra go fit save us. If you truly like us, me join Biafra. Or if you want to say, okay, no be Biafra, now do what made them start time. Yes. If not true people they be, if they like una, Edo people get up and fight. We not get any two life now. One life, you die, if you die today, don't finish. So life not what suffer for hate, enjoy for effort, you know what time. No know where na they go tomorrow. Whether I ever do, any ever not do, no. And Mona stop believe on all those fake pastor wey full everywhere, Facebook everywhere. If you reach their platform, carry 5,000, 20,000. Mona stop am. No miracle for elsewhere. Na government be God. Na government na be God. And people of this life, na God create on his own image. God bless all of una. Mona think well. Mona use una head.